Vivo has started teasing the Vivo V70 series in India. The lineup will include two models, namely the Vivo V70 and V70 Elite. The Vivo V70 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It will run on Origin OS 6-based Android 16 and is promised to receive 4 years of Android OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates. With LPDDR5 XRAM and UFS 4.1 storage, the series will feature a 6.59-inch AMOLED panel that offers a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 5000 nits. Phones or feature Zeiss-powered rear cameras. The setup includes a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 50MP telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide camera. On the front, there is also a 50MP selfie camera. Pack a 6500 mAh battery with 90W fast charging. They are also rated IP68 and IP69 for dust and water resistance. Leaks suggest the V70 series will be priced under 55,000 rupees in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.